Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's update we are going to look at BTC and at Gala. If you like updates, please do me a favor, like and subscribe. Also click on the bell, click on all so you don't miss anything. And then without further ado, let's start diving in. There's actually not a whole lot to update on BTC. We are right now at that make it or break it point. Yesterday we tapped it just ever so slightly. Right here is also the point of control. I have not taken a short yet, nor am I in a long, so I have not taken any trades yesterday. I am still on the sidelines. And I also updated you on Twitter. We still have that golden pocket just above us. If we reject from this area right here, I am taking the short. If we go lower, then this right here will be for me an area to long. Matter of fact, let me take the purple out. We now know what I'm looking at. This is the short from the big golden pocket. We don't need that anymore. So this right here would be for me a long opportunity, and the reason why is because it has a nice confluence with that golden pocket, and that is then of course measured from this low to the current high to the golden pocket. And also we have the CME gap, that's that thick yellow line, that is a gap that we created this weekend, and 78.6, therefore I created a box. So it's really a area for me to possibly go into a long. We also might take out the liquidity underneath all of these lows. So that actually would be a very nice trade to do something eventually like this, and then to go higher. That would definitely be a nice long trigger for me. We're then talking about the area 64 to, let's call it 64.8. So 64,000 to 64.8, that would be a long for me. And of course if we go deeper, you know, the longs that will really be taking out these lows and then eventually to trade it to the upside. So not a whole lot to update on Bitcoin. I'm just staying on the sidelines. I don't want to get chopped up in this area. You might also be looking at this right here as a trend line. You could say, you know what, I'm going to try to long it once we reach it. The only problem is right now we don't have so much at this trend line. No confluence, no really good levels. I have seen a few people saying, you know what, this is kind of a supply and demand box. Once we're going back in, this actually might be a long. I probably would not trade it. It's not juicy enough for me. I really actually want to see maybe some liquidity being taken out, because right now we are building up quite some liquidity here underneath these lows. So I am waiting for lower or I'm waiting for higher before I am entering a trade. Okay, then let's now quickly move over to Gala, because that actually is very interesting. We are looking here at the weekly, so very big time frame. And as you can see, I already draw in the volume profile and a fib retracement. And in the last 2-3 weeks, we came down here to the value area high and the golden pocket. I have bought some Gala right here when we hit the golden pocket on spot. I'm not leverage trading this right now. The markets are relatively choppy and everything is kind of hanging on Bitcoin's thread, meaning that if Bitcoin is going lower, I also expect alts to go lower. So right now it's just very choppy. I'm staying on the sidelines. It looks good for a bounce, like I said, value area high, golden pocket, that looks good. The follow through is like, not really that exciting. You could make the case that the money flow is slowly pouring out and that the daily might roll over. If that is the case and we are going to retest the golden pocket and the value area high, I think once we're getting acceptance within this value area, the next stop for me would be this volume area right here. That is approximately at 24-25 cents. So then I'm expecting to take out these lows right here. We're, by the way, now on the daily, so we're taking out these lows around 32-33 cents, and then I think we are going lower to approximately 24 cents ish. Would we also lose that volume area node, or that high volume area node, then actually I'm thinking we're going all the way down to the point of control and the value area low right here at the bottom. That is pretty low. Never say never, but I think it will be pretty unlikely to go to this level. That is approximately 14 cents. Whatever we're doing, if we're coming back and we're retesting something, I will probably add a little bit to my spot portfolio. If we hit this level right here, I will also add to the spot portfolio. If we're hitting 14 cents, I am buying my ass off. I think that Gala has still a pretty strong case to do well during the current bull market. If we're looking at the very macro, then we can see that the top was somewhere at 75. What is this? 84. So even if you would buy now and not even waiting for lower, you can still have a 1500% return if we only visiting the all-time highs. If we're doing better, yippee-ki-yay. But yeah, so it's actually not too late to buy. For me, I like to buy on technical levels. Therefore, the value area high, the golden pocket, was a technical level, and I have these levels underneath. Of course, the lower you buy, the better. But trust me, this can also bounce very, very fast. So for example, now I'm drawing it to that volume node that I just pointed out here at approximately 24 cents. And then you can see that the percentage is suddenly ramping up to more than 3000%. So yes, to get in as early as possible, as low as possible, is the most profitable move. However, what is a low, right? Anything can happen. We can just have a major crash to the downside. Yeah, if you then catch the wick, congratulations. But if we are going higher from here, we retested this and we are going higher, then of course you will never get that monster return. And also on the way up, you need to have the balls to sell here, because this is usually where the greed is kicking in. So be careful with that. Therefore, for me, I'm just buying and selling on technical levels. And if we are going to a macro golden pocket here, or we're reaching the all-time highs again, I will be selling off a big part of that spot position that I build up in my portfolio. So very clean macro levels. Right now, again, I am not actively trading this, because I think if we are going to roll over here from the golden pocket, we're getting that retest and we're going lower, I think this is going to sell off, and we're probably going to get acceptance here within that value area. And then I just don't want to be caught up with my pants down in some kind of leverage position, because alts can go very, very fast. I mean, only look at this candle. This was 84% in a week. So even on a 2x leverage, you would have been stopped out if you were here short. So therefore, I'm just buying it a spot and I'm not touching it. That will be it for now. Very quick update on BTC and on Gala and what I'm doing with my spot portfolio. If you like to talk me more about alts, or you want me to chart them, you want me to market some levels, what are good trades, what are bad trades, just let me know in the comments. And I will be happy to help you out. I will be happy to chart your favorite altcoins. Just let me know. And when you're down there anyways, also please do me a favor by liking, subscribing, click on the bell, click on all so you don't miss anything. Leave me a comment, share this video with your friends if you think this is useful. And also feel free, of course, to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Both of those links you'll find in the description. I am very active on Twitter, so I'll update you there multiple times a day. Thank you guys so much. See you in the next one. Bye bye.